How's it going, guys? It's Jason from Vape Brothers, and today, after looking at the analytics and watching everything, I was looking for something that I wanted to buy, and something that I enjoyed buying, and it would be good for you guys because you guys want it, clearly, because you keep watching this one particular video. What is this video? It is the mystery box. The mystery box is one of, I guess, because I was looking through the last 48 hours or 30 days or something, and it's one of the most viewed videos that I have. So, I went ahead and got another one. So, it's not technically a box this time, it's in a bag. Ooh. But we're going to dive up close and personal and open this puppy, and then at the end, I'm going to total how much it's actually worth. Now, just to preface this, I got this at ivape.net, I believe, something along those names. I'll put the link in the description below, but I got this for $60, so I will consider it a plus if this is over $60 worth of material. But other than that, let's go up and close and personal and open this baby up. Okay guys, so here it is. I'm gonna go ahead, I put my address down on the side so that you guys can't send me crap, so I'm gonna open it up very carefully. Okay. Oh, already I see that there is a charger, which is nice. Ooh, and some batteries. Okay, some E-Fest batteries. They could be better, but whatever. That's always a plus when I get some batteries with a mystery box, because sometimes you don't get batteries and sometimes you do. Only problem is that they gave me 2 batteries and 1 cell charger. Oh well, I guess. So let's see, this is the big part. So they gave me a vape only mega clearomizer, one of those. I don't know about that, but feels like there's a couple of boxes in here. So it looks like a Z-Max, a little tube mod. So put that off to the side. There's another box in here, some other goodies in here. Oops, I'm hitting the microphone stand. Oh my goodness. An Omega, I guess RDA, or I don't know. And some vape only coils for the clear mat. Oh my god, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, alright, there's one more, feels like one more thing. And a case for it all. And some packing tape and some business cards and whatever. I don't need this crap. Get out of here. Go away. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with this case. Everybody loves the case, right? So, I think this is something that you hook onto your belt, this part. Okay, so basic case mods and stuff over there. So screw the case. Whoops, I accidentally bumped the camera. My bad, sorry. Okay, so what is this Omega? Is this an ohm tester? Because it kind of feels like an ohm tester. What are you? What are you? Oh no, it's an RDA. I think I've had this one before. Yeah, I think I've gotten one of these before. The Omega RDA. Yeah, I do think I've gotten one of these before. Hold on, so that's a drip tip. Obviously, clearly it's an RDA, and it comes with all the fun stuff of building stuff and all this other crap. What do you got in here? Some O-rings. Now the true test is, oh, they actually gave me some wicks, but they didn't give me any coils. How sad. Anyways, so there's the Omega RDA. That's something that I can do. Let's go ahead and open this clearomizer up, or the cartomizer. Which, I don't get the difference between, sorry, I'm opening this off camera because I gotta get the plastic off of it. Looks like we got a pure question mark. This feels like a little bit of a retro kind of setup. Open that up. Okay. Alright, it looks like, yeah, it's just regular. It looks like an old set. Oops, I dropped the box. Looks like an old setup cartomizer, a couple of extra cartomizers in here, and then you got the tank itself with a fairly weird drip tip. Never seen that one before, so you got that. So I'll set that over there. I'm guessing these BBC coil units are, my god. So 1, 2, here, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 extra, oh wait, hold on. 5 extra coil units, so that's cool. Alright. Alright, 5 extra coil units. Obviously, these are batteries. I really don't need to open them up on camera, but I'm gonna. Come on, baby. There we go. Oh, messes. Always more mess. Got your E-Fests. Okay. Come on. There you go. Alright, here's one E-Fest. There's another one, and I put side down and whatever. What are these? 3.7 high drain charge. They don't tell me how many amps they are, though. That's the problem. Because, like, so these are 200 mAh battery or 2000 mAh batteries, which doesn't really mean a whole lot. Like, the amperage is what you want to go for when you're looking for batteries. You want to look for some amperage. So here is the Smock Z Max. I didn't even realize. Oh, look at that! I didn't even realize it was by Smock. There is literally not. I don't think there's a whole lot in here. Oh, come on! Oh, there is stuff in here. Hold on. Oh. Just an instructional guide. I'm pretty sure I can figure this out by myself. So put this to the side and then the charger, which is no big deal. But let's see here. Let's see if this is a 1 or 2, because it could possibly be a 2, but I would highly doubt it. Now it looks like it's a single cell, but now I'm assuming by the laws of yes. Yep, there you go. Yeah, this is kind of an older setup, I would say. I do like it. It's not like I don't like it, but how do you change the volts on this? That's what I'm wondering. Anyways, we'll put that to the side. We'll go ahead and do the cartomizer, because the cartomizer is more along my style. So this should be a bit of a retro vape. Just so you guys know, and sorry about my squeaky chair, I'm filling this cartomizer upside down. So I'm filling it like this. Okay, so I don't know if I'm gonna go with the standard old time of waiting about a couple of minutes before I start puffing away on this thing, because, or I'll take a couple of dry hits. But yeah, that's basically what we got. Also, when I'm taking a couple of dry hits and doing all this stuff, I'm going to be checking out how much all this is. So I'll see you back up top. Okay guys, so I was looking up all these and something's starting to unfold here with this mystery box, and it doesn't make any sense, because when I got this mystery box from ivape.net. Now, I decided to go on their site and look for all this stuff that they decided to give me. The only sketchy thing is that I only found one thing on their shop, and it was this. That's it. That's the only thing. So the cartomizer, not on there. The Smock Z Max, not on there. The batteries even, not on there. I don't even think I could find the case. I'll look for it really quickly, but I don't even think I can find the case. Here, let's see here. Bags, cases, and stands. Yeah, it's not even on there. So the only thing that was on there was this charger. So do I think it's worth it? Well, I was looking at myvapestore.com, and this device, they are selling it for $74, and it won't even hit my OBS tank. So it's a good deal. Am I going to use any of this stuff? Probably here and there, just to feel what it felt like to be old. But with these old cartomizers, you have to wait an hour in order for them to properly like set up, because if you try to vape off of them is just gonna burn them up. That's all it's gonna do. But other than that, I think this was a successful mystery box, but I'm gonna try another one. I'm trying to get one every single month. So if you guys have anywhere that you guys want, or anywhere that you guys have a mystery box, put it in the description below. I'll put this one in there if you really want it, but it's a mystery box, so you don't know exactly what you get. But thank you guys for liking, commenting, subscribing, and coming back and watching my videos. On my left here is YouTube thinks that you'll like this. On my right, there's a subscription button. Make sure to hit that so that you can keep up to date with all my stuff. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.